Good morning, Anu. Good morning, Kamya. Good morning, Aini. Good morning, Humaira. Starting from a very easy question. The angle of elevation of the sun when the angle, Shiva, good morning, beta. The angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole, when the shadow of a pole, when the shadow of a pole, when the shadow of a pole h meter high is h meter high is root 3 h meter long is, write the answer, solve the question. Thank you, Kamya. Thank you, beta. Shall we start? Send the link in the group. Everyone send the link in the group and tell everyone to join fast. Basics, from basics we are starting. From basics we are starting, beta. Very easy question and how to solve the question for 2-mark question, because they will be giving some 2-mark question also. So now based on that question only, I'm just going to solve. Means what level question, that level answers we are going to write. Fine. Just come on, solve it fast. Pratmesh, good morning. Now look here, what level question, what level answer will be there? The angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole is h meter, what you call, when the shadow of a pole h meter high is root 3 h meter. Are we going to waste time in this question? Kavya, good morning. Yes, Kavya. The question is very, very easy, beta. Nothing is there in the question and you are not supposed to waste time in this question. What is the answer? Come on, quickly give me. Who is going to give me the answer? Is the question very tough to handle? It's 2 marks. It is exactly in Hindi called as halwa question. Means nothing is there in the question. Very good, Akshaya. Akshaya answer is, what answer she has given is 30 degree. Shiva, Kamya has given 30 degree answer. Absolute. The angle of elevation, so height is given as h meter. And the shadow exactly is root 3h. That's it. Over. Whatever object will be there, that object will be standing perpendicular to the ground. So if the object is standing perpendicular, 30 degree, absolutely correct. Arab, good morning. So now one by one we will exactly increase the level of difficulty. In triangle ABC, okay, AB is equal to h meter given, BC is equal to root 3 h meter given. Now you know that tan, how much degree is there, we don't know, so we will take it equal to theta. So we will write, let ACB equal to theta, let ACB equal to theta. So tan theta equal to perpendicular, that is AB by BC, so that is h meter by root 3h. So h will get cancelled, 1 by root 3. So you know one very simple thing, tan theta equal to tan 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree. That means the angle is coming as 30 degree. Saran, good morning. Yes, Anushri, the answer is absolutely correct. We will go for the next question. Now this question will be very nice question. Let's see how you are going to attempt this question. First question I have given to boost your morale that you can do it. Now second question, let's see how you are going to handle. If the height of a tower and the distance of the point of observation and the point of observation and the distance of the point of observation from its foot both are increased by 10%, from its foot both are increased by 10%, then the angle of elevation of its top remain unchanged. Solve it. Then the angle of, good morning Rahul, solve this question again and again. I am saying solve this question. The angle of elevation remain unchanged. How much you are agreeing with the fact? Just answer this question as fast as possible. Just answer this question. So, okay, everybody is telling the answer is Akshaya, Yaini, Kavya, Saran, Prathamesh, true. See, look here. The statement is true. That is exactly correct. No problem with that. But how you are going to solve it? That solving section is going to be the biggest problem. They are not waiting for the answer as true and false. If you will be writing true or false, you will be getting only half mark. You have to solve and see this. You have to solve and show them that if possible, how will be the change in the angle. So if possible, theta 1 is the angle and height is exactly h and x will be there. The presentation is going to be very, very important. If you will lack presentation, no score, only half marks you will be getting. So then what we are expecting here? We are expecting here then tan theta 1 is exactly coming as h by x. Okay, this is your equation 2. So now is equation 1. So if height h is increased by 10%. So 10% increase in height means h plus 10% of h. That is h plus 10 by 100 into h. So take LCM h common, it will become 11 by 10h. Same way, height is increased by 10%. Okay. If base is increased by 10%, or distance is increased by 10%. So x we have taken x plus 10% of x. That is x plus 10% of x. So when you are writing like this, again cancel, it is coming 11 by 10x. So now height is increased by 10%, so 11 by 10h, and distance is increased by, so this much is there. So what will be the new angle? So let tan theta 2 will be the new angle. So now tan theta 2 will come how? Tan theta will be equal to again 11 by 10h, 11 by 10x. So now this and this will get cancelled. So tan theta 2 is coming as h by x. So this is equation 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, what is our observation? From equation 1 and equation 2, tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. That means theta 1 equal to theta 2. Hence, there is no change in angle. Hence, there is no change in angle. There is no change in angle. So, statement true. Okay, we cannot write like this. Good morning, Nandini. Nandini, you are not attending classes, offline classes. Please kindly attend the offline classes. Now look here. So hence what we have seen here is that there is no change in the angle. I hope you know how to attempt these questions. Children. Now you should know the technique of writing. So only I wrote to the point and I wrote what was important for you, beta. What was important for you, I wrote like that. So please kindly I request all of you, writing section you have to improve. Okay, shall we go for the next question, please? Okay. The next question is a very good question. Write this question out. Some questions like this we must practice. Okay. So now look here. Question is, this question I know you will be able to do. First, all stupid questions I am going to explain, and then we will be going for the next level. If the length of the shadow, is increasing, if the length of the shadow is increasing, if the length of the shadow of a tower is increasing, shadow of a tower is increasing, then angle of elevation of the sun is also increasing. Then the angle of elevation of the sun is also increasing. Why or why not? That's it. Why or why not? Now keep thinking. Akshaya. Okay, beta. What is the concrete proof behind it, Akshaya? Can you give me a concrete proof about it? The statement is false. Very good. Super. So increasing or decreasing, both of you have given the answer. Arif has also given answer and Akshay has also given answer that the statement is absolutely false. Fine. Very good. So now how to represent this? Humaira, false. When distance increases, angle of elevation decreases. Very good. Distance increases, angle of elevation decreases. This is the statement. Okay. But maths do not go by statement. Maths do not go by statement. I'm sorry, I have to exactly prove it. By proving, beta, we have to exactly show that ki find this statement is going to be. So for that now, we need a concrete diagram, figure, and with the help of the figure, we are going to present it that how it is increasing or decreasing. So maths need a concrete proof. I am telling, just writing one line statement is not enough. Then you only have to create a figure, and by figure if you will explain, it will become so easy for going to that level. So first we will say that okay, this is root 3 and this we are going to take as 2 we will take, and this we are going to take at this distance 4. So now first angle of elevation, what will be the angle of elevation? This will be taking as theta 1 and then we are going to take it as theta 2. So now A, B and C and D. So now it is totally up to you how you are going to present. One simple example should be there with you to absolutely backfire the content. Okay, so that means you should support your answer by a figure and a proper solving, not by explanation. Maths means not by explanation. I request you, not by explanation. So we will write in triangle, if possible these are the taken values. So let us consider, so when these are taken values by you, so let us consider height of tower, be 2 root 3 meter. So height of the tower we have taken as 2 root 3 meter. Next important point is we are going to take this distance as and BC. No need to write first shadow casting, this then that. So now it is exactly CD is taken as 4 meter. So now totally up to your wish what you are going to do. So first you write in triangle ABC tan theta 1 equal to 2 root 3 by 2. Cancel. So it is coming as tan theta 1 equal to root 3 means tan 60 degree. So theta 1 is coming as 60 degree. Fine. Now next is in triangle ABD, that is tan theta 2 will be equal to 2 root 3 by 6, 3. So tan theta 2 equal to root 3 by 3 into root 3. So it is coming 3 by 3 root 3. So tan theta 2 equal to tan 30 degree. So beta theta 2 is coming as 30 degree. Now this is called as concrete proof. Okay, so the statement is false. So the statement is false. Statement is false by our observation. By our observation with the above figure, we concluded that increase in elevation decreases the distance. Okay, increase in elevation, it will come as root, which one beta, Rahul? Not 6. Okay, 2 root 3 for 4. So now 2 root 3 by 2 plus 4 will become 6 na beta. Total distance perpendicular, Rahul. Total distance is how much beta? See, look here, tan theta 2 will be going for 2 root 3 and down part is going to be 2 plus 4, 6. So CD distance only I have taken as 4. CD distance 4 come here. So 4 plus 2 will become 6. Okay, so 2 root 3 by 6 is coming. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So I rationalize it. So it is coming as tan 30 degree. Yeah. Understood, Akshaya? Rahul got it, beta? See, look here. When you will be taking the full triangle, that time you have to take full beta. 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 will become 6 and here it will become 2 root 3. Okay? Yes. Now, Rahul, is it okay? Rahul, is it okay? Everyone understand this. Any statement given, you cannot just simply say that it is a mathematical content, so I will give by statement. You are not supposed to do that. Okay? Shall we go for the next question? Now, beta, first possibility of giving a very weird question like this. So, this can be the weird question for 2 marks that can come. But our focus is more bigger than this. Shall we go for the next question, please? Now go for this question. A window is a window in a building. A window in a building is at a height of 10 meter is at a height of 10 meter from the ground. 10 meter from the ground. At a height of 10 meters from the ground, the angle of depression of a point, the angle of depression of a point P on the ground from the window is, on the ground from the window is 30 degree. Okay, on the ground from the window is 30 degree, beta. Now what is the next part of the question they are saying? On the ground from the window is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the building, is 60 degree. Okay, find the height of the building. Find the height of the building. Like this type of question is very easy. only you need to present it nicely. I know you will be able to solve this question. Nothing is there in the question. You only need consistency while solving the question. Only consistency is needing by solving the question. Try this question out. After that, at last, I am only going to solve the question. So try this question, beta. What is the answer? Just inform me as fast as possible. What is the answer? Inform me as fast as possible. Okay. 30 meter. Very good, Kavya. That was very quick, beta. Very, very quick. Super. Where will be the elevation angle? Where will be the depression angle? Arif 30, Akshaya 30. Okay, let's see. What will be the question? What is exactly what they are wanting from us? A window in a building is at a height of 10 meter from the ground. So we'll start with the building. 10 meter. The angle of depression of a point P on the ground from the window is, so from the window, a point P angle of depression means angle of depression is coming as 30 degrees. So this will become 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, and from that same point, the angle of elevation is exactly coming as 60 degree. This is the part of the trick. So here they are not telling that, here they are not at all interested in telling that ki where is exactly the other building. Here there is no case of other building. The most important thing is one single building is only there, and in that building, one time from this point P, one time from this window, this is exactly the window. So exactly you understand one thing, that you are here and you are watching this point P, and the person is standing here in this point P, that person is observing the top of the building and making an elevation of 60 degree. So I hope you might have understood this concept of solving. So now you will be able to do it. So now first work is we will be writing. So distance remains the same, and here this part AH we will be, AD will be taking as H. So now we are going to write, let PB equal to, C we are not going to take because P is the point. So PB is equal to X meter and AD equal to H meter taken. So in triangle DBP, in triangle DBP, tan 30 degree will be equal to 10 by x, so 1 by root 3. So x is coming as 10 root 3 meter over. So now this one we got. After getting this one, now we are going to take full triangle right angled at this. So in triangle ABP right angled at B. So now what we have to do is tan 60 degree, because right now the angle of elevation is coming as 60 degree. Very good, super. Shiva, everybody has solved. So tan 60 degree, I am going to solve it as fast as possible. It will come H plus 10 by X is coming. So now it is coming as H is coming, X is coming as, so this is root 3. Root 3 into X equal to H plus 10. So it is coming as root 3 into X is 10 root 3 equal to H plus 10. So 30 minus 10 equal to H. So H is coming as 20 meter. But H is only what? H is only AD. So AD is 20 meter. But we have to find AB. So AB is equal to 20 plus 10, that is 30 meter. Absolutely correct. Those who have given the answer 30 meter, they are absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question, please? Now next question is, note down this question. Question is, if two towers if two towers, now how many towers are there? Two towers. So if two towers of height x meter, x meter and y meter subtends angles of 30 degree and 60 degree respectively at the center, of the line joining their feet find x is to y. Solve this question. MCQ auntie, MCQ answers, no, you have to write better. This time I don't think MCQ will be there, so you have to write nicely. Right now you can write like MCQ, but when writing test will be there, that time you have to write everything. Okay, so 2-3 questions are there, we need to discuss that question. Fine, now solve this question out. Solve this question out. You have to find the ratio. X is to y is 1:3 or 3:1. 1:3 she has written. 3:1. Okay. X is to y. Akshay is writing x is to y is 3:1. She has given. Okay. Shiva Shakti is telling. Akshay is telling 3:1. Shiva is telling 1:3. Okay, so two people answer is varying. Arif is telling 3:1. Arif is also telling 3:1. Okay, fine. So three people, three different answers. Two have given 3:1. One have given 1:3. Let's see who is correct. Okay, because ratio means they have clear cut told ratio between x and y. Now the two tower height is x, so you have to exactly consider the point very nicely. Here x is to y. Sarthak, Prathamesh is telling 1:3. Sarthak is also telling 3:1. Why this difference is coming, sir? Madam, let's check this one out. So height is exactly distance of elevation. So height we don't know. What is the height varying? Okay, so x is the height of the first one, but the distance is same. So if I am going to consider this as a meter, then this also I have to consider as a meter. Now angle of elevation, one angle of elevation is coming because they told that distance is same, but first angle of elevation is coming as 30 degree. Second, if two higher subtend angle, this and this respectively, so we cannot change anything. A, B, C, D, E. So we are going to write as in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equal to x by A. Equation 1. So 1/√3 equal to x by A. So x is coming as a/√3 x okay. In triangle EDC, tan 60 degree equal to y by A. So √3a equal to y. Equation 2. Dividing 1/2. Dividing equation 1/2 x by y equal to a by root 3 and root 3a is there. So a by root 3 into 1 by root 3a cancelled. The correct answer is 1:3. How many of you have given 1:3? The correct answer is 1:3. It will not be 3:1. Please don't do this. Rectify and check your answer. It's a clear cut answer. So the one who has given the answer first, and that is absolutely correct answer, is Shiva Shakti. After that Prathamesh, then Arif, then Akshaya, then Ajay, then Kamya, then Rahul, and then Humaira. Please don't do this mistake. It's a clear cut answer. No here and there is there in this question. Why searching any lost angles here? Now write another question. Question is, okay, one question is, this question I want everyone to practice. An aeroplane is at an altitude. No, it's not 2-mark question. Now we are going for 4-mark question. An aeroplane is at an altitude, 2 marks question over, going for 4 mark now. The aeroplane is at an altitude of, all game over. Now we are going to go for some serious business. Okay. So now if 2 ships are sailing towards it in the same direction, if 2 ships are sailing towards it in the same direction, the depression angle as observed from the aeroplane is, the depression angles as observed from the aeroplane is 60 degree and 30 degree. Find distance between ships. What level question here? Distance between the ships. Waste of time writing this question. Nothing is there in the question. Solve this question. I thought this is meter question. Come on, nothing is there in the question here. If this question will come in examination, what level of happiness you will have. Only you have to find this x and y. Distance between the ships, you have to find ships I'm saying. Kamya got, it was Ajay who has given the answer first. No, Akshaya, then Kamya. Arif aunty, nature is so perfect, they have only 30 degree. Correct only. For your class, only these 3 angles are there. 30, 45 and 60. Okay. So you have to satisfy in these 3 angles only. So in triangle ABC, right angled at B. First we have to assume, let BC equal to x meter, CD equal to y meter. So now tan 60 degree equal to 1200 by x. So root 3x equal to 1200. So x equal to 1200 by root 3. Rationalizing one time itself. So 1200 root 3 by 3. So it is coming as 400 root 3. Equation 1. Next is in triangle, because first I have taken this triangle. In this triangle, angle is given as 60. So perpendicular by base. So 1200 by x. Next question. In triangle ABD, right angled at B. So tan 30 degree will be exactly equal to 1200 by x plus y. So this is 1 by root 3 equal to 1200 by x is exactly coming as 400 root 3 plus y. So cross multiplication, 400 root 3 y plus y equal to 1200 root 3. Story over. Therefore y will be equal to 1200 root 3 minus 400 root 3. So 800 root 3 meter, that's it. Nothing is there. You have to just find 800 root 3. Easiest question. Very good. Now question is, now this question will be quite helpful for you. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane, as if we are not knowing. Stands on a horizontal plane. Stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Okay. At the point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the flagstaff is alpha and beta, then height of tower is, then h equal to what? I am giving it in option form. I am not giving it in proof. Actually the question is given in proof format. So only I am just changing it out, because I don't want you to get the answer and just without solving saying that okay, solved. So now just solve this question and tell which option is going to be the correct one. Height of the tower they have asked. Come on, solve this one out. Yes, height is fixed. Height is fixed. Height is fixed. Go for it. Height of the flagstaff is given to you, Arif. Go for it, beta. The angle of elevation of the top of it is exactly fixed. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Flagstaff height is h. Now they are asking the height of the tower. What they are exactly considered and considering the point is height of the tower. They are wanting height of tower. Go for it. Which one is the correct answer? Tell. I'm moving so that you can see the question. Option A. Okay, Akshay has given option A. Akshaya has given option A. Fine, Akshaya, option A. Fine. Let's see who else is giving option. Prathamesh has given option C. Okay, Prathamesh has given option C. A, B, C, D. Okay. Here in between plus is there. Okay. Anyone else wants to answer? So these two children has given the answer option A and C. Option A and C. Okay, Arif is telling to wait. Wait, I'm waiting, Arif. No hurry, buddy, I'm waiting. Akshaya saying answer is C. Hi Jabin. Shiva Shakti is telling answer is A. Let's see what will be the answer. Now first is, so either A or C you all are sticking. This is A, B, C, D. Fine. So everybody is telling answer C. Good morning, Jabin. So everybody is telling either answer C, this one, or answer A. Okay, let's see which one is going to be the correct one. A vertical flagstaff is there, standing. So if this height of the tower is taken as h, and the height of the flagstaff is already taken as h, small h. So now the distance between, so angle of elevation from the bottom and the top of the flagstaff, angle of elevation. So one angle is coming as A and alpha and beta. Alpha, and the total is coming as beta. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So let the height of the tower, building or tower? Tower BH meter. Okay, so first we will take this triangle. In triangle BCD, so CD you will take it as x meter. So in triangle BCD, right angled at C. So first tan alpha will be equal to h by x. So x will be equal to h by tan alpha. In triangle ACD, tan beta equal to h plus h by x. So x will be equal to h plus h by tan beta. Equation 2. So now equation 1 is coming in terms of x, equation 2, because we don't have to do anything with that one. So we only have to do with x. So now h. So from equation 1 and 2, successfully removing x. So h by tan alpha equal to h plus h by tan beta. I'm getting something else. Now look here, cross multiply h tan beta equal to h plus h tan alpha. Why this? I think all of you are wrong. H tan alpha plus h tan alpha. Shift this one that side. H tan beta minus h tan alpha is equal to h tan alpha. So now take h common. Tan beta minus tan alpha equal to h tan alpha. So h will be equal to h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. So answer will be, I have written like this, sir. A, B, C, D. B, C is exactly h tan alpha plus tan beta. Here h tan alpha by. So answer will be B. Again and again I am telling all of you. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So answer will be B. Check this one out. 100% answer will be B. No here and there. 100% answer is B only. You are I'll beat you very badly. Answer is exactly B. Answer is exactly B. There is no doubt about it. Answer is B only. Yes. Yes, answer is B only. So now today evening we are going to meet. I'm having school today. It's fine. So today evening we are going to meet, and you know what I'm going to do today evening. So no need to tell you anything. Practice, practice and practice. Tomorrow morning also I am going to give revision to you. Okay, bye everyone.